Distributed systems can be hard to debug. Can you walk me through how you've used distributed tracing in a microservices setup and what benefits it brought to reliability and performance? In modern microservices systems, debugging based on log files alone can feel like trying to trace a single thread through a tangled web. That's where distributed tracing becomes essential. And we used it extensively in a logistics platform that handled order processing, inventory, and delivery tracking across multiple services. Our tracing setup was built using OpenTelemetry, integrated directly into each Spring Boot microservice. As each request passed through different services, whether via HTTP or asynchronous messaging, we propagated a unique trace ID using standard headers. This allowed every service to tag its span, so we could reconstruct the full request journey end to end. For visualization, we used Jaeger, which gave us a live UI to trace performance bottlenecks, error points, and latency spikes across services. I still remember one incident where we had slow order confirmations. Initially, logs showed nothing unusual. But with traces, we discovered that the delay was caused by a third-party tax calculation, API, used only in specific regions. To make traces more insightful, we added metadata tags to each span, such as the order ID, customer location, and business priority. This helped correlate technical performance with real-world business impact. Over time, we shifted to adaptive sampling. Tracing every request was costly, so we began sampling based on traffic intensity and error rates, giving us visibility without performance overhead. What really stood out to me was how distributed tracing became a collaborative tool. Engineers used it to debug, SREs used it to monitor sloss, and QA used it to validate end-to-end test flows. It created a shared language of reliability across teams. So when I think of distributed tracing, it's not just a tool. It's a strategy for transparency, stability, and scalable debugging in a dynamic, service-oriented world.